and noticed these bright lights. He hit my bumper. What the hell is this bastard trying to do? Maybe he hit my bumper again. I realized then this was no drunk. He knew what he was doing. Oh, God. Could it be him? What should I do? He started coming around. I sped up. Oh, God. I was crying. I was scared to death. I looked in the mirror. He was gaining on me. He came on the side of me. He was trying to push me off the road. Oh, God, please protect me. What am I going to do? All I could think about was I going to die? Not knowing who I really am? I just kept praying and asking God to spare my life. After being chased for so long, he finally pushed me off the road, directly into a pole. Oh! I hit my head on the steering wheel. Ah! I passed out. For a minute, I raised my head. He was trying to open my door. Go away! After I realized what he was trying to do, I was holding the door with all my strength. Oh, no, please leave me alone. Go away. He got in. I was trying to fight him. I was hitting him, and then he said, Miss, it's okay. You're all right. I looked up, and it was a little old man and a lady. Miss, I called the ambulance. My wife and I saw this car that pushed you off the road. So we stopped and called the police on our car phone. He saw me look around and said, you don't have to worry. The other driver took off. We will stay here with you until the police and the ambulance get here. I asked them to please call Detective Small. The police and ambulance arrived and transferred